Today I'm sharing a quick mango dessert which anyone can make. You can prepare it in 5 minutes or so if you have all the ingredients at home. So this is a very tasty recipe and it will not take much of your time. So what we need is I've chopped some almonds. Take any biscuits of your choice and any mango of your choice. I love raspberry mangoes, so I'm using raspberry mangoes here. And these are the biscuits. This is Good Day biscuits, I think. So we'll crush them and grind it in the mixer and take out the biscuit powder. Now we'll add 2 spoons of ghee here. You can even add melted butter to it. So it will give a nice nutty flavor to the biscuits. So we'll mix it together to form the base here. So next we'll take a glass. We'll mix all the biscuits here nicely. And now I'm cutting the mango. We'll scoop out the pulp here and we'll make a mango puree out of it. So these are raspberry mangoes. These are very tasty and these were very sweet, so I've not added any sugar here. So if you want, you can add sugar. It's completely optional. So now we are arranging the layers. That's it. See, we have to arrange the layers. That's all this takes. So first I'm adding the biscuit powder here and then I'm adding the mango puree on top of it. And now we'll add some nuts, chopped nuts here. I've taken almonds here. So on top of it, take any vanilla ice cream or any ice creams of your choice also. But vanilla goes well with this. Vanilla flavor ice cream I have taken 1 scoop here. So we have to repeat the layers in the same way. A biscuit and then mango puree and then vanilla ice cream. So the top layer will be of vanilla ice cream. So top it one by one. It looks beautiful also, very attractive, colorful, and it is even tasty. It's even more tastier than it looks. You should definitely try it. So this is the topmost layer. And I have not added any sugar to it because I'm going to drizzle it with some honey on top. See, this is the topmost layer and now I'm going to add some honey also on top. So it looks nice, like very shiny, good and very appealing. It's very tasty. So if you like this recipe, please subscribe to our channel, like, share to Foods Memory.